ICCT Stock Analysis Friday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all this in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the very end. iCore Connect Stock. I love this name, like name of the day. It's 11% down. This is how my previous bias look like, and before I get deeper, I've done 32,000 videos and I've spent thousands of dollars on course and mentorships over the last 4 years, and as a result, the strategy has delivered thousands of great predictions. Now with ICCT, this is a bearish market, like no doubt about it. I'm expecting these lows to kind of get cleared. If they get cleared, then is where. So the way that I'm observing ICCT is just so simple. Still bearish. I mean, my previous bias was also that, but no trades got taken purely because of the price action. It's not tradable for me personally. So if you want to learn the strategy, click the first link in the description. There is a free newsletter.